Today I want to tell you and teach you deep concerning this alligator pepper. Many people don't really know what the alligator pepper means, but almost everybody where they do tradition, culture, and medicine, they use them. But today I want to bring to your knowledge what this alligator pepper really mean and the work of it and how to use it. Sometimes, some of you, when you go to Babalawo, or you go to a native doctor or spiritualist, anybody they use alligator pepper, even some Christian and Muslim, some of them do use alligator pepper. But not everybody really know what alligator pepper stand for and how to use them. And sometimes you find yourself say, maybe your spiritualist or your native doctor, your herbalist or your Babalawo, he tell you say, carry 3 seeds of the alligator pepper, put them for your mouth. You chew and do this, do that. Or carry 1 seed, or carry 7 seed, or carry 4 seed, or carry 7 seed, or carry 9 seed. Chew them, or put them inside the medicine. Some of you, I don't really know, many of you may not know the secret behind those numbers of alligator pepper, where they tell you to use. But you will tell yourself true that Ekweme Dibia is here today to teach you what you never know. And the reason why that they instruct you to use so amount or numbers of alligator pepper. First of all, this alligator pepper, what will I call it? Is an activator. That is what alligator pepper means. An activator. It activates your tongue. It activates your spiritual beliefs. It activates your spiritual works. It activates many spiritual activities. So this alligator pepper stands as an activator. To activate that thing, to make it active. To make it get strength. To make it get energy. A spiritual strength to work. So alligator pepper is very honorable in our own language. We honor alligator pepper. And there's a parable where say alligator pepper no the waka shameful waka. That means in our own local Igbo language we say Ose Oji Today. So alligator pepper no the waka shameful waka. Any waka where you go, you must get good result before returning. But it matters how you use it, how you value it, your purpose, how you maintain it. Number one, I don't already tell you people say that they charge alligator pepper. Because many of the alligator pepper where you buy, many hands with different energies don't touch them. So that is the one reason most of the times that particular alligator pepper where you need to use to talk something, you need to charge it. But even if you charge it or you did not charge it, it still remain alligator pepper. But when you charge it, it will work, it will give you more quicker result. And now, I want to tell you another reason and another things where they confuse people. Some people go say, when you pray with alligator pepper finish, you won't open them. You don't go open them for your face like this. You first of all put them for your back. Pinch them, open them for back, then return it to your face. And now collect the ones where you want to use. Some people, they do them. But I must tell you that even those who they do and they don't really know what in that thing mean. And I'm here to tell you. It's just a way of sealing your wish with the nature. Without making it open or public to the face of the negative spirit. That is the reason why you do put it like this. When you don't say your wish, when they tell you don't open it in your front, you put it at your back. It's to hide that your wish from the negative force. So that they will not know the communication, the agreement you had with the alligator pepper. Your aim of trying to use the alligator pepper. So you have used your front to declare your wish. Now you put it at the back. Nobody know what goes at your back. So in olden time, our grandpapa, grandmama, them, we only know that they always want what they want to open alligator pepper. They put it at their back. You don't know what they do. Now, just recently, they open to everybody that now when they put them at the back, they want to open it. Now they bring it, they just bring. But in Dodi time, our mind or some other people mind no really reach them like that. You just believe say your grandpapa or your grandmama or your papa or your mama talk with alligator pepper finish, you put them for back to open. Or you put them for back before bringing it out to use. So the reason is to hide your wish, your secret, your covenant with the alligator pepper. The message where you want to send them, because you know the waka shameful waka. And you don't want any negative force to know. And that is why when they open alligator pepper, you go put them for your back and open after saying your wish. So that is that one. And again, some people know they get respect for alligator pepper. You need to start respecting alligator pepper. Almost everything where any spiritualist prepare, traditionalist, herbalist prepare, alligator pepper go must they involve. Because alligator pepper get many frequencies where they move around them. In a spiritual realm and the physical, it gets strong energies where they with them. Where go make those leaves, those herbs, those animals, those work you want to do, or even your tongue today active. That is why it is an activator. Now, when you don't finally pray your wish, put them for back and open. When you open, whether now you take them, whether now you open them, then another person open them. It is never in a good direction to carry alligator pepper where they don't open to use, carry and give to another person. In the right part is when you collect from alligator pepper you want to give to your brother or your sister, you drop it. So that the person will not start using from your own wish. The person will collect it from the ground there and collect and start making his own wish. So that your own wish will remain with you. You don't share alligator pepper from hand to hand. No, you keep it. Let the person collect it. So when you go see, say, person collect alligator pepper, he say, make him give the dropper for grant. It is not a disrespect. No, that is the way of the spirit. That is the way of tradition. And again, I want to tell you the best way to do cleansing. If you wake up in the morning, you want to remove some negative energies, some negative force around you. Now, one seed you need to use. Some people, they just put hand, collect as many as they like, use them, they touch their body. It doesn't work like that. Now, one seed of alligator pepper, now you go use and cleanse yourself. And when you are removing negative things around you, it is left hand you use, because that is negative energy you are trying to remove. You cannot use the right hand and remove negative spirit. And you think you are getting it right. It is very wrong. So learn that one today. Then another way, where we say, you go see, say, they tell you, say, to put one seed for your mouth, to chew and say your wish. What in one seed stand for? It stand for just you. That this is me. And this is my word. And this is my wish. I don't want my wish to be divided. That is why I stand only me. And that is what the one seed of alligator pepper represent when you are using one seed. To those people where we say anywhere they see alligator pepper, once they want carry cola chop, then chook hand, carry as many as you are, as you like, put for mouth. You not get anything where you go walk for your body in terms of spiritual realm. You are just chewing a normal seed because you don't know the value of it. Those who know the value of alligator pepper, they chew alligator pepper according to certain numbers of it. So sometimes you will put one seed in your mouth. It's trying to show that I'm the only one standing, declaring my wish. And I want my wish to remain without it being divided. That's why you use one seed of alligator pepper. Sometimes it's either you know or you'll be using 3 alligator pepper. Or now your babalawo, or now your native doctor, or now your spiritual director, or now your Ezenwine, or now your pastor or prophet or prophetess. Now you tell you say when you want to pray or decree or do work, put 3 seed for mouth. What in that 3 seed mean? It mean a lot of things, but I will brief you in the way you will understand it spiritually and traditionally. 3 seed simply represent the mind, the body, and the spirit, which make a living, which make woman. That is what the 3 seed represent. So by the time a spiritualist tell you to put 3 alligator pepper in your mind, he's trying to remind you, you are trying to remind the spirit that you are standing to declare your wish with your body, your spirit, and your mind. That is what the three alligator pepper mean. The three trinity. That is what it means. Your ikenga. You know, some of you wonder, why be say native call away that three? They will call and say no Oji Ikenga. I will come and teach you about that one later. So when you are using three seed of alligator pepper to pray, you are equally trying to give energy to your strength, to your spiritual strength, which is your Ikenga. You are trying to remind the universe that you are declaring this wish with your body, your mind, and your spirit. That is why you put three alligator pepper. Because it is your body, your mind, and spirit that makes you. If any one of them leave, you are no more. That is why you use three alligator pepper. And now you remember why it is three stone that cook pot. Mind, body, and spirit. And it is three. Ikenga is three. So where it is three trinity. And when you are using, you want to cook, to make something done, you use three stone. One stone cannot hold any pot to cook. Two stone cannot hold any pot to cook. Three stone cannot hold any pot to cook. If you want to cook something and the thing will done, it is three stone. For instance, give me this osite. You see now, we use this thing to cook. It has three legs. 1, 2, 3. If you remove 1, 2 will not stand to cook. If you remove 2, 1 will not stand to cook. It must be 3, and it will stand well to cook. And that is why when you want to make a strong wish that will stand to manifest, you use 3 seeds of alligator pepper. It will represent your body, your spirit, and your mind. Now, when they tell you to use 4 seeds of alligator pepper, or maybe you'll be using the 4, but you don't really know what it means. 4 means the 4 market days that we have in our tradition, in our culture. Many times we want to do our declaration in the presence of our ancestors. We normally call all the entities, all the spirit of our forefathers, the ones that moves, all the spirits, the one that moves in the Ike, the one that moves in Oye, the one that moves in Afo, the one moves in Nkwo, because we have 4 market days in our IGBO tradition. And that 4 seed of alligator pepper represent the 4 market days. Sometimes you put 4 seed in your mouth because you want to tell the spirit that you want this, your wish, your declaration, your medicine, your hand of your craft, the hand of your work to manifest your wish within the 4 market days. And that is your purpose of using 4 alligator pepper. We have north, we have east, we have south, and we have west. That is 4 alligator pepper. To representing the 4 spirits that rules the world, that lives in the 4 corners of the world. That is the main reason you use 4 alligator pepper. Some people just use it because the doctor or their spiritualist or their director just ask them. They don't really know what it means. But I'm here to break them all down today for your understanding. And I believe that after this video, you are going to learn something new. So that is the main reason why they will ask you to use 4 seed. Sometimes they ask you to use 7 seed. These are the numbers that matters in the spirit. You know, by the time the spiritualist or traditionalist asks you, say, go and collect 7 seed you use. First, that spiritualist or traditionalist is trying to make your mind stable. It's time to connect your energy, your own spirit to what you want to do. Because you will not put your mind, you will not put your body, you will not put your soul, you will not put your spirit in it by trying to calculate, to check that what you are collecting is 7. Or numbers like this. You not everything about you now, you focus on there. You focus there. It's trying to bring all about you inside so that your spirit, your body, and your soul will come together for the job or the spiritual activities you are performing at the moment. The 7 seed of alligator pepper, representing rainbows, representing the colors of rainbows. 7 seed of alligator pepper in the spiritual activities. It represents the 7 days in a week. Most of the times when a spiritualist tell you to use 7 alligator pepper, automatically, maybe, for instance, they tell you, say, when you want to bath this soup, you put 7 seed in your mouth. Believe it, along the line, the doctor or the spiritualist will equally tell you that this medicine, you will also be taking this bath. For instance, you will also be taking this bath for 7 days, because all you use is 7 seed of alligator pepper, which you are using to try to tell the spirit of the universe that this assignment you are doing, you want them to grant your wish within 7 days. And it signifies the beautiful colors of the rainbow, which is 7. A lot more. Again, sometimes they tell you to use 9. It's a deep spiritual covenant in conclusion. 9 seed. If you be person where be say, anytime where you want to, you just shook hand for where alligator pepper there, you better stop it. You don't respect the spirit, you don't even respect the nature. And that is why you can even pray and do everything. Something where you know say then say that this thing they work, but at the end it will not work because you are not following the due process. There is a lot more to learn, but I will be bringing out my time once in a while to teach you what they're hiding from you or what they don't want you to know. Because I tell you, it is not everything you go to native doctor to look for. Sometimes you learn some few things by yourself and you practice it. Everybody is a doctor of his own or her own. But you get ones who will pass you, you start looking for those that the spiritual work are their profession, so that they will help you, direct you, and they will help you make you to achieve your wish. Everything we are seeking for, the universe have already given us them all. So all you need is a direction. If you still love this particular program and this video, you love truth, you follow this page, you share for other people to learn. As time goes on, I will come to teach you more and more. You have a lot to learn. And believe it, any man or woman who say he knows all, that person knows nothing. And I say, Kuyu Sera Sera. I remain Ekwemedibia. God bless you.